Hi my friends, on April 9, 2026, Inventor 2027 was released. You can remove data migration from your previous version, so you can work with the original Inventor from factory. To do this, you will follow that 3 arrows, 1, 2, 3. Have an idea about this new release of Inventor, you can open the Inventor What's New. Select What's New in Inventor 2027 and you can study all this news, assemblies, parts, drawings, general interoperability, translators. Let's see something interesting. New metric standard millimeters IPT, and we create a new sketch placed on this plane. Let me place X to the right, and we draw a simple rectangle, finish sketch, extrude, 10 millimeters thickness, OK. Then we use this tool, this new tool. What is this? This is a tool for creating directly a slot. You have here dimensions, you have these options, you can select this one, you can place here for instance 50, then 20, then you go to the plane to select the position. 20, 50 are the dimensions. You can also use this arrow to rotate that feature. Interesting, isn't it? Take the time to study the new features that you find most interesting and useful in your work using the new Inventor Release 2027. Good luck, my friends!